How to enroll in Bank of America online banking. Hey everybody, if you guys are wondering how to do it, here's how you do it. So for that, what you may do is you may just head over and go over to Bank of America's website. You may open up your web browser and go to the official site, which is this right here. Or you can directly search for Bank of America online banking and it will provide you with the link that you're looking for. Now, once you are here, you can just go ahead and find and click the enroll option, or you can look out for this login option. If not, we have this option of not using online banking but enroll now option. Just go ahead and tap on it, and it will lead you to another section, another page where you can start up the process of enrolling. So what you need to do is you will be prompted to enter the last six digits of your Bank of America debit card or your account number along with your social security number and tax ID number. So just go ahead and provide them with the details in the section right here. After that, just go ahead and continue with the process. After that, you may need to verify your identity through an authorization code sent to your email or phone. You may choose a unique online ID and password and then confirm the password. After that, select your security preferences, which may include security questions or other verification method. You may just review the terms and conditions before enrolling, and that way you can just go ahead and enroll in Bank of America online banking. Once that is done, you can head over to the login page directly. And in that login interface, you can just go ahead and enter up the user ID and password that have been created while you were enrolling in Bank of America online banking. And that's it. So this is it. You may follow up these methods. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.